Welcome to Learn Yourself. Transportation in plants. That energy needs differ between different body designs. Plants do not move, so their energy need is very less compared to animals and humans. Plant bodies have large proportion of dead cell in many tissue. As a result, plants have low energy requirement need and can use relatively slow transport system. It can be very large in plants such as very tall trees. So they have slow transport system compared to human and animal because their energy need is very less. Now how they are transporting water. So there is a steady movement of water into the root xylem, creating a column of water that is steadily pushed upward from the roots to the stem and to the leaves. At the roots, cell in contact with soil actively take up ions. This creates a difference in concentration of these ions between root and soil. Water therefore moves into root from the soil to eliminate this difference. Earlier we have seen this concept that because of the ion difference, when the roots are there into the soil underground, here the ion concentration is more. Once the root will take up this ion along with the water, into the roots ion concentration will be more and into the soil it will be less. So this difference of ion concentration will help water to go up into the roots and till the stem. So this difference of ion concentration into the roots will help water to move forward. Now third point, how will water reach till top? This ion difference will help water to go into the roots. Now how it will reach till top? The water which is lost through the stomata is replaced by water from xylem vessel into the leaf. Now stomata pore, now when the stomata pore will open, it will also transpirate some of the water into the environment. So now leaves are having less water compared to earlier situation. So in fact, evaporation of water molecules from cell of leaf creates suction which pulls the water from xylem cell of the roots. So this pull has happened because of transpiration, because through stomata pore this water has lost and this has lost because of the transpiration. So this creates some pull, and this pull is because of the transpiration. So that's why it is known as transpiration pull. That now into the leaves the water is less, and this will create some of the suction which will pull the water from the roots and it will reach till the leaves. So this known as transpiration pull. The loss of water in the form of vapor from the aerial parts of the plant is known as transpiration. Now because of this transpiration, the water will reach from root till the shoot. And how the water will go to the root? Because of difference of ion concentration. So these are totally different process. Here difference in ion concentration will work, and here transpiration pull will work. Now, what is the function of transpiration? So it helps in absorption and upward movement of water and minerals dissolved in it from roots till the leaves. In earlier slide, we have seen that because of this transpiration pull, the water will reach from roots till the leaves. It also helps in temperature regulation. The effect of root pressure in transport of water is more important at night. During the day, when the stomata pore are open, the transpiration pull becomes the major driving force in the movement of water in xylem. So this movement of water, it happens because of this transpiration pull, and because of this only the water will reach till the leaves. Now transport of food. Till now we were discussing about transport of water. We have discussed the transpiration pool, ion concentration difference. Now comes the food. How food is being transported from roots till the leaves. The transport of soluble products of photosynthesis is called translocation and is occurred in part of vascular tissue known as phloem. So phloem tissue is responsible for translocation of dissolved products or the dissolved product of photosynthesis. Now what is the meaning of dissolved product of photosynthesis? The food. The leaves are preparing the food particles in presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide, and that process is photosynthesis. So soluble products of photosynthesis means whatever food particles they are preparing via photosynthesis process, that is being translocation with the help of phloem tissue. Now the phloem transports amino acid and other substance. These substances are especially delivered to storage organs of roots, fruits and seeds and to growing organs. The translocation of food and other substance take place in upward and downward direction. This happens via both the ways, that food particles will go up also and comes down also. Now translocation in phloem. Translocation happens by utilizing energy. Material like sucrose is transferred into phloem tissue using energy of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This increases the osmotic pressure of tissue, causing water to move into it. This pressure moves the material in phloem to tissue which have less pressure. We have learned about this pressure, that is osmotic pressure, which is functioning on the based on the difference of pressure. So this pressure will move from more pressure to less pressure. So the material will go to the tissue which tissue has less pressure. This allows the phloem to move material according to plant's need. So what all tissues are having very less pressure, are having very less food material into them, this phloem tissue will circulate food particles or sucrose particle to that tissue. So phloem will circulate, phloem will distribute that food particle according to their need. And how they will identify the need? They'll identify this need with the help of osmotic pressure. The osmotic pressure will be less if the sucrose level is less. That means that tissue is in highly need of the food particle or the sucrose. So phloem will distribute the sucrose particle to that tissue. For example, in spring, sugar stored in root and stem tissue would be transported to the birds which need energy to grow. So as and when they required energy, this phloem will circulate this sucrose particle to them.
So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. And don't forget to subscribe, Learn Yourself.